Who would like to build or purchase the perfect garden shed? I have been looking at many construction companies doing this sort of work, but none have come up to the standard and workmanship of this firm I have found. And looking at what these people can do, whether you are after a fully built garden shed, or something in kit form, it's all here in one place. My name is Ken. We are now halfway through our presentation of garden shed designs, with lots more to come. If you want more information on all of the designs, just open the link in the description or pinned comment below. Now here we go, with the next 15 amazing shed designs, that will totally enhance your backyard. Asymmetrical roof and lots of light, the hardware shed has style and functionality. Its unique shape, single arched door and offset window, the personality of this shed is truly unique. Available in 3 sizes, from 4 feet by 10 feet, up to 8 feet by 10 feet. Roof and simple layout make way to a spacious interior, that can be used for a workshop, or storage. The 8-foot walls makes the harvester perfect for a backyard setting. Available in 5 sizes, from 10 feet by 16 feet, up to 12 feet by 24 feet. Shed is perfect for all your gardening needs. With an open potting side boasting a practical workbench with cabinet underneath, and an enclosed storage side large enough for all your garden tools. Available in 4 sizes, from 6 feet by 14 feet, up to 10 feet by 16 feet. Make the weekender twice as nice. The side with the rough opening is perfect for stacking firewood, or easy access storage, while the enclosed area could be your workshop. Available in 13 sizes, from 4 feet by 8 feet, up to 12 feet by 24 feet. Design is just part of the charm of our cross gable, the perfect garden shed. With its geometric roof design, the cross gable is an ideal blend of beauty and functionality. Available in 2 sizes, from 8 feet by 12 feet, up to 12 feet by 16 feet. Built with traditional 4-inch by 4-inch post and beam style framing. The design blends into its surroundings or can be customized to create a structure that matches your personality. Available in 20 sizes, from 8 feet by 8 feet, up to 14 feet by 30 feet. Is one of our most compact storage solutions. Perfect for an urban backyard, or for anyone who just needs a little extra space to store their trash and recycling. Available in 2 sizes, from 3 feet by 5 feet, up to 3 feet by 8 feet. From your recycling with our solid wood garbage shed. The 2 sets of double doors make it a breeze to keep your disposables organized. Available in 2 sizes, from 4 feet by 10 feet, up to 4 feet by 12 feet. A shed that is affordable. Look no further than the economy New Yorker. Taller walls offer more vertical storage, like hanging racks, shelving, and storage lofts. Available in 13 sizes, from 8 feet by 8 feet, up to 10 feet by 20 feet. NANTUCKET was designed as an affordable, versatile shed without compromising quality. Configure it with a single door and window, or a set of heavy-duty pine double doors instead. Available in 3 sizes, from 6 feet by 8 feet, up to 6 feet by 12 feet. Can be used as a stunning garden shed to accent your home. You'll love the dormer above the door, especially if you customize the roof with asphalt shingles, or cedar shakes. Available in 8 sizes, from 8 feet by 8 feet, up to 12 feet by 20 feet. Can be your ultimate garden or storage shed. Using our saltbox design, we updated it to include architectural asphalt shingle roofing, paired with pine clapboard siding. Available in 6 sizes, from 8 feet by 12 feet, up to 12 feet by 20 feet. Was fashioned after the traditional Adirondack style. Our lean-to shelter kit includes a generous overhang, and a built-in bench, for ample seating and camping gear storage. Available in 2 sizes, from 8 feet by 12 feet, up to 10 feet by 14 feet. It is built to house equipment, tools, and operate as a workshop, with its 3-door design. The sliding barn doors, and wide ramp, provide 3 easily accessible entrances into this spacious shed. Available in 3 sizes, from 8 feet by 14 feet, up to 12 feet by 20 feet. Bayside can be converted into nearly any type of building you wish. Garden shed, maybe a backyard art studio, with a stunning roofline and distinctive shape, the possibilities are endless. Available in 2 sizes, from 10 feet by 10 feet, up to 12 feet by 12 feet. Watching part 2 of our series on garden shed designs. Catch up with part 1 next. For further details of our garden sheds, open the link in the description or the pinned comment below. If you like our videos, it would be very much appreciated if you would subscribe to our channel and click on the next video.